Good morning, Bacolod. Good morning, everyone.
Hello.
Hello, say hello.
Good morning. We're excited to take our civil service exam.
And
Hope we can pass the exam.
how about you, lady? What can you say? Okay. She say no comment daw.
Yeah, okay. So, we'll try our best to serve our country.
And what?
Basta.
Ari kami subong sa Loop West, downtown.
No, it's
Oh?
Araneta Street.
Ah, Araneta Street, gali.
And where you can see
Where you can see the sun and the rainbow and the blue sky. We're happy today because
we're excited.
we were getting our first examination.
Exam with no studying
Civil service.
at all. Oh.
Shout out, shout! Shout out!